Why would I need to reset my Honeywell thermostat?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing why you might need to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Understanding when and why to reset your thermostat can help you troubleshoot issues and ensure your thermostat functions optimally. So, let's dive right in.
What is a Honeywell thermostat reset?
Before we explore the reasons for resetting your Honeywell thermostat, let's quickly clarify what a reset actually means. Resetting your thermostat involves restoring it to its original factory settings, erasing any customized settings or configurations you may have made. This process essentially gives your thermostat a fresh start, which can be beneficial in certain situations.
Resolving technical glitches.
One common reason to reset your Honeywell thermostat is to address technical glitches or software issues. Over time, electronic devices can experience minor glitches or temporary malfunctions, causing the thermostat to behave unexpectedly. Resetting the thermostat can help resolve these issues by clearing any temporary errors or software conflicts that may have occurred.
Troubleshooting unresponsive thermostat.
If you find that your Honeywell thermostat is unresponsive or not functioning properly, a reset can be a helpful troubleshooting step. Sometimes, the thermostat's internal settings may become corrupted or the device may freeze, resulting in unresponsiveness. Resetting the thermostat can help resolve these issues and restore normal functionality.
Changing HVAC system or preferences.
Another scenario where a thermostat reset can be useful is when you make changes to your HVAC system or personal preferences. For example, if you install a new HVAC unit or change the wiring configuration, resetting the thermostat allows it to adapt to the new setup and ensure accurate temperature control. Additionally, if you want to revert to the default settings or start fresh with your preferences, a reset can be beneficial.
Resetting to troubleshoot sensor or connectivity issues.
Sometimes, you may encounter sensor or connectivity problems with your Honeywell thermostat. If you notice inaccurate temperature readings or connectivity issues with other devices, resetting the thermostat can help troubleshoot these problems. By resetting the device, you give it an opportunity to recalibrate the sensors and establish stable connections with other devices or Wi-Fi networks. And there you have it. Now you know why you might need to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Whether it's to resolve technical glitches, troubleshoot unresponsiveness, adapt to system changes, or address sensor connectivity issues, a reset can often be an effective solution. If you're experiencing any of these issues or simply want a fresh start, don't hesitate to give the reset option a try. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult your thermostat's user manual or reach out to Honeywell's customer support for specific instructions on how to reset your particular model. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay comfortable and have a great day.